For plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans for welfare and not for evil, to give you a future and a hope. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Hey fam bam, it's me, Juslonda. Have you subscribed? Have you joined the fam? Join the madness, join the fun. It's me, Juslonda. I am late. I'm late to the party, but why y'all didn't tell me about this? Okay, let's go ahead and roll that beautiful baked bean footage. So, alright, I went on ahead and purchased the Juvia's Place Radiance Booster in the color free, which is Burkina. Now, I love Burkina. Burkina is like my jam, either in the orange bottle from Juvia's Place or in the Radiance, the new one that they just came out like last year in the blue little top thing. But now they've came out with this. So, you know what? Let's swatch some of the other Burkinas. Give me a second. Okay, so I got the other Burkinas. So this is the original Burkina. This is for someone who has oily skin. That's what I feel. You can wear it if you have dry skin, but if you have oily skin, this will work best. This is full coverage. It's not playing any games. I love it when I want to look like a baby doll. I haven't used it in a while because I'm trying to use everything else that comes out. But this is the original Burkina. Then Juvia's Place came out, right? And came out with the, what does it say? I Am Natural Radiance Foundation. So this is I Am Magic. This is I Am Magic Radiance Foundation. Now there is a slight color in it. This one's a bit more lighter than the original. But the way I use it, I don't care. Like I just like it because I always try to match like my shoulders and things like that, because those are the things that are my chest. Those are the areas that are more exposed. My face is just more darker than the rest of my body. So now they have the, what is this? The Radiance Booster. Now I saw that some people are using this as a foundation or using it underneath. When I first tried it, I used it just as a foundation. That's a lot. And you know what? Now that it's drying down, it does kind of match it. So to me, it does have to dry down. Um, oh yeah, this is spot on. And that is the booster. It has like a glowy sheen to it, but so does the I Am Natural Radiance too. So this is the I Am Magic original. This is the I Am Magic Radiance, Natural Radiance, and this is the Radiance Boost number 3. So we're just going to apply this on the face because I have to film afterwards. I know y'all like, she don't even do makeup content anymore. Let me tell you something. I have I don't want to call it depression. But the situation that my family has been in has put a damper on my spirit. One day I'll share, but today's not that day. So I'm not into makeup as much as I used to. Plus, there's not a lot of makeup that I'm really interested in. It's not. I did, however, picked up the who is she? Danessa Myricks Blossom palette, because you know what, I actually do like that other palette that she came out with. So I did pick that up, and I did also pick up a small bottle of that Makeup Forever. Now that's probably not going to be my color. It's probably going to be a tad bit off, but because it was only like this big, I don't need a lot of foundations. I have loads of foundations, and then I went and turned around and bought this. Go figure. So I'm going to go ahead and just, I also got some painterly, not painterly, I forgot the orange color name, but it is a paint pot from MAC underneath my eyes to just to do a little bit of color creation, color correction. This mirror, I got this because of Tati. Um, Tati was promoting this mirror. I like it. It's cute. It has like a little light and everything. I think it's so cute. But I'm going to turn it off, and I'm just going to go ahead and start applying this foundation or radiant booster as I see fit. Now, a lot of people have a lot to say because I don't need a lot of it either. The fact that it's on a doe foot applicator for hygienic purposes, but if it's going on your face, it really shouldn't matter. I'm so hungry. Okay, so I'm going to use the Sigma. What is this? Airbrush Kabuki brush. It's the 580. I'm sorry, F85 brush. Look at that. I love this stuff. It doesn't look like I have much of anything on it. It evens out the skin color. Like, it gives a natural finish. I really like this. So I'm going to go ahead and just do my whole face right quick. Well, the rest of my face. So I'm just going to pull out an old Goldie. Don't be upset that you can't find this. And this is Marc Jacobs Extra Shop. All right, fam bam, this is the finished look. Do y'all see how stimulus I look? Like, that is the business. I truly don't need any more foundations. Like, this is so good. Ah, like, I look made up, but I don't look made up. Like, y'all wrong. Y'all should have told a sister about this. This right here, this should be a staple for the girls in the summertime. Now, if you want a little bit more coverage, then I truly think the Danessa Myricks, the one that's in like the red bottle, the squeeze bottle, that would be next in line. But I have dry to normal skin, so this just works for me. This looks so good, so flipping good. And do you just see how it just, like, it just comes together? Y'all should grab this. It's made out of Italy, so that's why it's $22, because I believe it's $22. I need Juvia's place to calm down. I need it to come all the way down. What the flip is going on? Why is everything raising up in these parks? What is going on? I can't take it anymore. I can't take it. But this looks good. Let me know if y'all got this. There's gonna be another review coming up, because I bought a couple of these things here, which is the Sephora contour. I've also bought the Sephora highlighter that just came out, and the Sephora concealer, is it moisturizing concealer or something, like Serum, something has like a beige top tube, something. Yeah, so that should be coming up after this. I just wanted to slide this in quickly. If it's not already up, I'm not sure. This probably come up first though. But let me know if y'all got this. Let me know if you like it. I do think that the color range kind of sucks, because this is number 3, and then the number 1 is, I believe it might be Maui. I could be wrong. The number 1 is the darkest shade, but it's such a big jump. They didn't have testers of that one. Like 2, I believe, was Cameroon. 1, I don't remember what that one was. But 1, 2, I could have used. The undertones were just a tad bit different, but because it's so sheer and lightweight, I could have pulled it off. But because they had Burkina, I was like, oh, well, let's go ahead and pick up Old Faithful, because I love Burkina, just like I love Chai and Too Faced. So comment down below. Let me know if you got this. I know I'm late to the party, but nevertheless, I did pick this up. I will be using this summer. I will be putting this in my rotations because I do love it just that much. So let me know what you think about this. Thanks for watching, rating, subscribing, hanging in there with the sister through all her riffraff. You hear me? And hello to my new subscribers. Hey boos, I see you. I see you. All right. So thanks for watching, rating, subscribing, all that good jazz to make me feel so warm and fuzzy inside. Peace and peace. Bye.